What's up guys, welcome back to our channel Trading Basics. So today what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to set up an investigating.com. So setting up can be anything, setting up the indicators in the chart or setting up let's say your watch list or anything. So let's break down and learn how you can do it. So firstly, just go to your investigating.com app or investigating.com website and then log in with your account. Then you'll be redirected to this particular platform, which is your investigating.com home screen. Now, if you want to set up your watch list, you can go over here, which is my watch list. Tap it, and then you redirect to my watch list platform. Over here, you can have your own watch list. You can add more, you can create new one. You can also add particular let's say stocks or charts in your existing watch list. So let me just search anything, let's say Nvidia, and then just choose it, and then it will be over here and it will add over here. So you can set up your watch list like that. And if you want to set up your let's say indicators in the chart, so just go to one of the live chart and then just select one of these. Let's say it's the crude oil one. So over here you'll be having this option, indicator slash. Over here you can choose any one of this. So let me just choose one of this, and then cross it. And to set up and save it, you go over here, this cloud option. You can name it, let's say BTC, and then just save it. So that's how you set up the indicators as well. So that's pretty much guys, that's pretty much for today in this particular video. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So I think that's pretty much. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. And also comment for more reviews and more contents like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.